I really hope I'm in focus. All right, so I'm doing something a little drastic tonight. My hair has grown out ridiculously. It was short and now it's like super long. I have a lot of grays going on. No shame, just a lot of stuff. So I want to do my hair pink. Not the healthiest for my hair, but here we are. I need a change, so I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna use the Blonde Brilliance Express 9 lightener. It's almost 11 o'clock right now. The kids are finally asleep. We're gonna see how this works. I'm not doing the roots today, and I'll deal with the second round tomorrow because I'm sure I'm not gonna be able to get as light as I need to for a pink. So, hi, how are you? It's been a while. I just kind of jump in talking. It's gonna be more like a vlog style. I'm gonna try and work as fast as I can, so I might not go over the details too much, but I do wanna show everything I'm using. So aside from the Blonde Brilliance, I'm gonna use the Ion Sensitive Scalp 30 Developer. Because we're like in quarantine and everything, I ordered the Ion Bleach and that was out of stock, and it was gonna be out of stock for a while. So I had Ion Developer on hand and I got my hands on Blonde Brilliance Bleach. So that's what we're using. It shouldn't be a problem. And then I got these little Ion Absolute Perfection Booster. I'm not even sure it's gonna work, but why not? And I've already mixed up the bleach. I already know this is not gonna be enough. I'm gonna have to mix again. And I'm gonna put one of these little vials in. I don't know if you guys can tell, I'm super nervous. This could be a mistake, but it's okay. It's just hair, it'll grow back. And worst comes to worst, I am not opposed to a pixie cut, so it's okay. You're gonna be seeing some shocking grays, shocking. Especially when I part right in the middle, this is just, oh gosh. So I did watch a bunch of Brad Mondo videos, which give me comfort, but as well make me scared of this whole process. I already feel like I'm sweating. I am most probably not gonna use the brush, I'm probably not gonna use the brush. I'm just gonna use my hands because I feel like I can work faster with my hands, making sure that each section has enough bleach. So, ran out of bleach. I will say this bleach it's really soft. It is not gritty at all. I'm going to have to mix one more scoop of bleach. I am going to try and rinse out the bottom first. Here we go, round two. I'm gonna show you guys how it turned out to cover the hot mess that is my hair, but that's fine. I'm happy to see some curls. But what the plan is today to divide it again the same way I did yesterday, and I'm gonna start on the last section, which is the top. Not ideal because it will fall on the bottom. I'm gonna do the hair that's yellow first, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, then go back to the root, do it all in a row. Probably leave the root for like 10 minutes or 15. I'm assuming it won't even need 15, and then wash it off. So. All right, I just washed it off. I did not record the best part. I had to call my sister because I did not have a hand mirror with me, and so she was kind of looking through FaceTime and telling me so I didn't miss any spots. I was going really fast and absent-mindedly because I felt like my ears were burning. My ears and my neck, they're very irritated. But we did it. I think I got everything. Still haven't gotten a great look in the back. My husband said it's fine. I think we definitely achieved I'm not sure about the integrity of it yet, and a haircut is definitely in need. I think I still have some hot roots in some areas that maybe could have used a little more processing time. This is the back. The next steps today is treatment. So I have the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment. This is curly girl friendly, this step at least. The second step, which is the balancing conditioner, is not. So I'll do the protein, and then I'll do the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Mask to add some hydration back in. So protein and then hydration. Alright, so I am masking right now. As you can see, I have a heat cap on to really make sure that it soaks in the moisture. My hair is definitely damaged. The ends are fried, and I knew that after the first session, so I can't quite assess how much damage it is. But yeah, this is all that I'm doing today, just masking. I'm gonna air dry it later tonight, and then we will assess the situation tomorrow. All right, here we are again. The kids are asleep. It's still Saturday. I was gonna do this tomorrow, but here we are. I just wanna be done. I really don't wanna look like this anymore, so I got my hair color. This is the Bright Instant Color in Pastel Pink. I got 4 bottles. There's one more there. I'm gonna use some Aquaphor. I did not know that I had this on hand. Had I had known, my ear burned with the bleach and my neck has a rash because I didn't know I had this. So I am going to use this so that I don't get staining. So this is the finished look of the whole pink debacle. It did not turn out this way initially, and I will insert a picture of what it looked like. It was very bright, kind of peachy neon, and I kind of let it be for a day and a half, and I just realized I did not like it. So I rinsed it out one more time with hot water, and then just to see what would happen, I took some deep conditioner along with a little bit of Manic Ultraviolet. I had some leftover from when I had blonde hair, and I used that to tone it. And that toned down the neon, the bright neon pink, and kind of got rid of that peachy hue. I still have a little bit of peachiness going on, but it's not as bright, and I feel like it works better with my skin color. It just looked a little bit odd with the neon, and it wasn't really what I was going for. I just wanted kind of like a light pink color. It's not as damaged, but it has absolutely no protein left, so it's a little limp. I did cut I would say about 1 inch myself. I deep conditioned 3 times in the process, so it feels soft, but it is definitely lacking the protein. So I'm gonna get some protein products to make sure that my curls bounce a little, because right now it's looking like it's not even curly. It's kind of wavy. I'm okay with it. I'm just glad it didn't fall off. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this kind of casual video. I just like everyone else, I've kind of been stir crazy here in my house, and I wanted to change up my hair. Didn't really want to go to a salon. Didn't feel comfortable going out with the current coronavirus situation. And I do not regret it one bit. I actually had a lot of fun doing it. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share. Subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.